Hey DIYers, and welcome back to DIY Hookup. Today I'm sharing with you this easy coffee bar sign. So I just have this piece of small wood here, and what I did was I stained it with a dark chestnut stain, and then I applied white chalk paint, sanded it down to give it a distressed look. I made this stencil using my Cricut machine, and I just apply the stencil to the board here, and now I'm using Mod Podge to seal each of these letters. This helps with the bleeding. I also like these foam brushes that I got from Dollar Tree because they're flat on the end of the stick like this, and I like to use that to just go over each letter just so it's really stuck on there good. So I'm using a black chalk paint with that same foam brush and just taking that brush and tapping up and down over each letter, covering it really well. Now that the paint is dry, I can go ahead and peel off the stencil, and I use shelf liner to make my stencils. Peels off nice. So now I'm just removing the rest of the pieces of stencil left within the letters. And you guys, I'm going to go ahead and leave my Instagram link in the description bar and in the comments. Go ahead and click on that and follow me on Instagram. I post like what projects I'm working on, and I usually post on my Instagram before I upload on YouTube. So go ahead and follow me there. It's called La Casa Craft 1. And also, this sign will be in my Etsy store if anyone's interested in purchasing. I also will have my Etsy store linked below as well. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this really simple DIY. If you did, please give me that thumbs up, share the video, leave me a comment. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys really soon in the next DIY hookup.